Hi, this is Venkatnarayana from Sunya Technologies. Today I am going to discuss pattern with numbers in C++ like below. In first row 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. In second row 4, 4, 4, 4. In third row 3, 3, 3. Fourth row 2, 2. And in fifth row 1. This is continuation to previous video, part 18, pattern with numbers in C++. Please go through previous video before going through this video. We are going to discuss this logic for Visual Studio. Launch Visual Studio and create C++ application. First step is we need to read input from command prompt. Cout. Please provide number of rows. Declare variable to store input value. Int number of rows. Read the value from command prompt. Cin number of rows. We need to display output like this. In first row, we need to display 5 values, and values are 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. And in second row, 4 values, and values are 4, 4, 4, 4. And in third row, 3, 3, 3, and so on. If you want to display output like this, then we need to create 2 for loops. One for loop to get rows, second for loop to get columns with values. For int row equal to number of rows, row greater than or equal to 1, row minus minus. For int column equal to row, column greater than or equal to 1, column minus minus. Print the output. Cout row, white space between each value. Cout this statement will use to go to next line. Execute this code. Control F5. Please provide number of rows 5. Enter. We are getting output as 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. We'll debug this program to understand flow of execution. Put breakpoint here. Go to debug. Click on start debugging or F5. Later click step into or F11. Click on start debugging. F11. Please provide number of rows 5. Enter. Here number of rows is equal to 5. 5 assigned to row. That means row is equal to 5. Cursor goes to inner loop. F11. Here row assigned to column. That means column is equal to 5. 5 greater than or equal to 1. True. Then print row. Here row is 5. 5 printed here. F11. Column decrement to 1. That means column is equal to 4. 4 greater than or equal to 1. True. Print row. Row is equal to 5. 5 printed here. F11. Column decrement 1. That means 3. 3 greater than or equal to 1. True. Print row. Row is equal to 5. Printed here. F11. It will continue. Previously row is equal to 5. It will decrement one value. That means row is equal to 4. 4 greater than or equal to 1. True. This loop will execute 4 times. Print the output. Here output is 4, 4, 4, 4. F11. Row is equal to 3. 3 assigned to column. 3 greater than or equal to 1. True. This loop will execute 3 times. Output is 3, 3, 3. F11. It will continue. Row is equal to 1. Print row value. Previously row is equal to 1. It will decrement one value. That means row is equal to 0. 0 greater than or equal to 1. False. It exits from program. Output is in first row 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. In second row 4, 4, 4, 4. In third row 3, 3, 3, and in fourth row 2, 2, and in fifth row 1. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.